Let's move on to the main card, which is a featherweight bout between Krishna Heer taking on nobody else but then the first pro fighter from Sasaram, Bihar, Sham Anand. Now, Manan, let me tell you, Krishna Heer has actually been asking for this fight. He was actually on Instagram trying to provoke Sham Anand, called him out and got this fight.
And his opponent making his way to the cage, Krishna Heer.
Let's welcome Krishna Heer, representing Combat MMA, making his way to the cage. In the Indian MMA history, showcasing the best of what we have here in the country.
Tail of the tape. यहाँ पे हाइट एडवांटेज हम देख सकते हैं क्लियरली श्याम आनंद के पास है.
Ladies and gentlemen, first we introduce the blue corner. He weighed in at 65.9 kilograms, representing Bihar. Make some noise for Sham Anand! And his opponent fighting out of the red corner. He weighed in at 65.9 kilograms, representing Rajasthan. Give it up for Krishna Heer! As we move into the main card, ladies and gentlemen, your referee for the fight, Daniel Isaac.
You both know the rules. Let's have a good, clean fight. When I ask you to stop, you stop. All right? Touch gloves if you want. Step back.
As we begin the main card, we've got Dan the Man as referee in the cage. Both fighters ready to fight.
राहुल, इस फाइट में ये दो फाइटर तो है ही केज में, लेकिन जो तीसरा इंसान है केज में उस पे भी हमको ध्यान देना होगा. वो है फादर ऑफ इंडियन एमएमए डैनियल आइजैक.
Let's go!
All right, I'm excited for this fight. Both these fighters are really heavy hitters. Being a southpaw gives you a little bit of an advantage over an orthodox fighter with your right hand down the middle. Conor McGregor is another
श्याम आनंद
great
यहाँ
orthodox
टेक डाउन
fighter.
लेने की कोशिश में. कृष्णा हीर डिफेंड कर रहे हैं, पर श्याम आनंद की ताकत बहुत खतरनाक लग रही है.
Yeah, he's got pushed up against the cage, applying a lot of pressure. Nice, easy break.
बढ़िया काम किया कृष्णा ने डिफेंड करने का, और वाइल्ड स्विंग्स. वाओ,
Some heavy shots here by Sham Anand.
Both these guys are swinging wild for the fences. It looks like there's some bad blood here. These guys don't like each other. There's some online feud you mentioned. Some online trash talk. That way there's some bad blood here.
बिल्कुल जेसन, ये दोनों ही फाइटर्स यहाँ पे एक दूसरे को मारने के इरादे से आए हुए हैं.
There.
ओह, बहुत ही हार्ड पंच लगा कृष्णा को, और जवाब में कृष्णा ने भी एक लैंड किया.
Both these guys swinging wild.
Krishna looks a little tired. He's backing up.
श्याम आनंद के
Sham Anand.
पंचेस.
Oh, nice
Oh,
straight. Both these
क्या
fighters
बात
swinging.
है.
Both these guys here swinging wild, swinging for the fences. They're all set for a battle here, a striking battle. Sham Anand once again trying to go for the takedown. Krishna Heer is defending.
Let's go to the next fight. We have a featherweight bout coming up for Krishna Heer versus Ajay Tomar. It's going to be a cracker, ladies and gentlemen.
And his opponent making his way to the cage, Krishna Heer.
कृष्णा हीर ये दिल्ली का लड़का है, और ये शुरुआत से ही एमएमए की ट्रेनिंग कर रहा है. इसने ना तो कोई एक पर्टिकुलर स्टाइल को कभी ट्रेन किया है, ना कोई उस तरह का कैंप किया है. ये डे 1 से एंड्रू एक एमएमए जिम में जा रहा है, जहां स्ट्राइकिंग भी कराते हैं इसको, ग्रैपलिंग भी कराते हैं. तो ये भी एक काफी इंटरेस्टिंग और डिफरेंट फाइटिंग स्टाइल लेके आ रहा है.
Ladies and
अभी तक
gentlemen,
की-
first we introduce the blue corner, weighing in at 65 kilograms and standing at 5 feet 8 inches tall, hailing from Uttar Pradesh. Make some noise for Ajay Tomar! And his opponent fighting out of the red corner. This fighter stands at 5 feet 8 inches tall and weighed in at 65.8 kilograms. Fighting out of Delhi, make some noise for Krishna Heer! Ladies and gentlemen, as the action begins, the referee for the fight, Mayank.
Fighters, you know all the rules. Listen to my commands carefully. Touch gloves and go back to your corners.
Another one, Mayank. Manan, sorry. This is going to be an excellent fight. Both these guys. I must say though, Krishna, he's got the nicest pair of eyebrows I've ever seen.
इस फाइट में कुछ ना कुछ ऐसा जरूर होएगा जो धमाकेदार होने वाला है.
Oh yeah,
It's gonna stand out.
Yeah, it's going to definitely stand. Both these guys are bangers. Like immediately the guy throws a leg kick. Like these guys are really going at it, as you can see.
इनकी
nice right
बहुत
hand.
बढ़िया पंच मारा कृष्णा ने.
And here, as you can see, like both of these guys are fantastic fighters.
वाओ, क्या स्ट्राइकिंग है.
Pushed him back up against the cage. Oh, nice knee to the body by Tomar. Another nice knee. Krishna basically needs to recover right now. He needs to take this time, clinch, and usko recover karna tha. I think he's connected the arms. He needs to tighten this. And he's got a guillotine. He's got a fantastic guillotine on him. Krishna's trying to escape. He's trying to escape, but he's got a nice and tight guillotine on him.
कृष्णा पंचेस मार रहा है और ये फाइट खत्म भी हो सकती है यहाँ पे.
It could be finished, but Krishna's just toughing it out. What Ajay needs to do is he needs to essentially grab his own arm, use his left arm. See, he's losing the grip on his right arm. His left hand is losing the grip on his right hand.
बिल्कुल,
He
मैं
needs
भी
to
वही
re-grip.
नोटिस कर रहा था कि
Yes.
इसकी ग्रिप में कुछ प्रॉब्लम है.
Yes, he needs to re-grip, and Krishna's doing a fantastic job of using his right hand to fight Ajay's left hand, as you can see from the broadcast.
लेकिन इस राउंड
There,
में
absolutely, he's broken the grip. As I said, it was not going to get finished because that guillotine was not tight. Oh, very sweet, but Ajay's got him in a nice triangle setup. If he can use his left hand to grab his left shin, he might get it. But right now he's just holding on. It's not a tight triangle at all, and Krishna can just get out, which he just does.
कृष्णा ने काफी अच्छा रिकवर किया है और ये पहला राउंड खत्म.
Also, ladies and gentlemen, just because the restart rule was in effect, the blue corner wins the round anyway. He wins the first round. So now, what Krishna needs to do is he needs to win the next 2 rounds for him to actually get a unanimous decision.
Yeah, that's correct. कृष्णा के ऊपर अब थोड़ा सा प्रेशर तो रहेगा. उसको डेफिनेटली सेकंड और थर्ड
Yes.
राउंड जीतने की जरूरत है. और ये दूसरा राउंड शुरू हो गया.
Yep, we're on to the second round. Oh, nice body kick by Krishna. I think it was a low blow.
Here we go.
Oh, that was a nice leg kick. Again, they start grappling. Krishna's got double underhooks and he needs to look to take advantage of that.
डेफिनेटली
knees.
कृष्णा को अपनी स्ट्राइकिंग पे फोकस करना चाहिए.
Oh yes, absolutely. Krishna needs to focus on his striking and needs to start winning the fight as well. Because oh my God, that's a fantastic shot.
वाओ. और अजय के हाथ ऊपर खड़े थे. अजय has his hands up in the I don't want any more gesture.
Yeah, I think.
Let's see the replay.
Yeah, let's definitely see the replay.
Look at his hands now, Andrew.
Oh, that was a very good stoppage actually.
Look at that.
Yeah, that was I think that was a good stoppage. Oh, he dropped him completely, hit him with a nice left hand. Another shot here. I think it's a really good stoppage.
Yeah,
I don't think anybody
I
should
think the
protest.
fight's over here.
Yeah, I think the fight's over here.
होनी तो नहीं चाहिए रीस्टार्ट फाइट. बट देखते हैं रेफरीज क्या डिसाइड करते हैं. I think the fight is over.
I think the fight is over. Yeah,
बहुत बढ़िया डिसीजन.
Basically, absolutely. I think the referees made the right decision. He was just going to get blasted from there on. Yeah,
बहुत बढ़िया.
definitely. Yeah, let's take another look at the replay. Here we see, hits him with a nice left hand right on the button. Ajay drops. He looks like he's completely out of it. He has his hands up in a defensive position. Right there, he cracks him right there. Hits him with a
Right
nice
on the jaw.
left cross. And Ajay looks like he's
और
completely
उसके
done here.
हाथ देखो कैसे ऊपर
Yeah.
की तरफ खड़े हैं कि बस और नहीं.
Fantastic fight.
Ladies and gentlemen, Ref Mayank has stopped the fight in the second round in 50 seconds, declaring the winner by TKO from the red corner, Krishna here.
I was just going to say, there was no protest from the corner, there was no protest from Ajay's corner, so that was ruled a TKO. There was no restart. Fantastic win by Krishna. Losing
बहुत
the
ही
first
बढ़िया.
round, came back to win the second round. What a fantastic comeback, yeah?